Wow. A huge drop and after a lot of interest. So it's a very good sign of continuation. Now let's see if this is a huge downtrend beginning or if just a lot of interest on the ES side. So a chance to continue. Okay. Yes, is very strong. Yes, is really weak. So don't be stubborn and sell the weakest. Let's try to catch a new box. Okay, Euro for NQ, very good for my shot. Yes, very good. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. Have to do no exit and come back here because he start to lack of sellers on the down, on the low. So let's see if it's just a fake or it's a beginning of short squeeze. No, I don't like this trade. It's start to stack on the high.